We'll play a game. How much of Alex's car is he gonna cut up by the time he's done with this build? Can't leave the FD windows open. Okay. What's up guys? Another day, another mid video. Today, we're switching up the FC once again and probably spending money that I shouldn't be spending. Basically, we're gonna switch up the exhaust system I got going on. If you guys remember this video. But here we have the entire Racing Beat road race system. Okay, so are there hangers back there? I bought that exhaust brand new from Racing Beat. Full system, true dual exhausts, but I've had it for, I don't know, it's been less than a year, but I think it's time to already switch it up. I'm just gonna take you guys along and you guys can see. Here it is guys. This is what the new setup kind of looks like. It's a single exit. Basically, it's this header, pre-silencer, mid-pipe, muffler, but I already have this and I have a header. So I'm just gonna be using this and that. All right guys, so the exhaust is in the back. We just got to Connor's house and I'm actually gonna put the new exhaust in here because it should be really easy. I don't know if you guys can hear this, but this is the idle with current exhaust setup.
All right, what we got here?
So here's the exhaust setup, guys.
Hold on.
I'll put it on the ground so you guys can see. So we're converting to single because duals are for lamos. I actually don't know. I'm just kind of bored, so I want.
Don't you have a dual though?
Yes, I just wanted. I'm just bored, so I'm swapping it. If we're being honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So the question is, I don't know if the new muffler and tip is gonna fit through this bumper, but it's not my first time cutting up some stuff. right on the diff. See that? I love this.
How about no?
Good. All right guys, so here we have the new exhaust setup. It's just gonna be basically changing the cap back. And then here, under the FC, we're gonna get to work.
Then what?
Wow, look how clean this one is compared to these. Look how clean mine is. That's how you know mine's hella new, bro. That's how you know I barely put any miles on this shit.
How many miles are on it?
Less than 1,000.
Damn.
If we just compare the mufflers only, we can see that one is a Canon.
Yep.
And one isn't. And this one kind of has the silencer built on the inside, the dual. It's newer, but I want to see how this one sounds. So I'm gonna put it in. And then obviously for the mid pipe here, well actually technically this would be considered the catback. It goes from my dual pre-silencer, which is why it's still dual, but it was welded into one bigger pipe. So it goes from the duals, like my original system, to duals, and then they had it welded into a single pipe, and then the single pipe leads into the muffler.
What's wrong, brother?
It's not my diff.
You're leaking?
I'm leaking something.
Uh-oh.
I know it's not my diff though, because why would it be over here? I don't know. It's weird.
Whatever. Wait, why are you taking these out?
What do you mean?
Shouldn't you just take the whole thing out?
What do you mean? Okay, why won't this one break?
Let's put some elbow grease. But you know it lines up now.
Okay, this is fucking annoying. Uh-oh. That ain't good.
What happened?
Don't you just love smacking your exhaust on everything? Okay.
R.I.P.
RP.
Will it fit? That's pretty tight.
It doesn't.
Wait, can only go without, can only go, no, it's good enough.
Okay, maybe it is.
Yep. Wait, hold on, let me see the clearance, bro. Bro, that's good.
Good?
Yep.
We Gucci Mane?
Yep.
Wait, it's supposed to look like this.
Hey. What do you say?
Exhaust clamp.
Where? Can I see?
You have a 13?
How old? How old?
How old?
Yeah.
Is this?
Yeah.
Or what? How old do I like my girls?
Yeah.
Of age.
Did you say 13 earlier?
I need a 13. Not a 13-year-old girl, by the way.
Pause. Oh shit. So what are you doing right now?
Basically, the bumper needs to be cut and trimmed a little bit because it's hitting the lip of the muffler and it doesn't allow us to get clearance to bolt it onto the single pipe. So we're gonna use this Dremel tool with, of course, the blade attachment, and we're just gonna cut up part of the bumper so I can make clearance. Yeah, I gotta chop it from all the way up here.
Well, how much clearance do you need for to go on for the?
I'm gonna do halfway.
Halfway, bro.
Okay, I'll start with a quarter. I'll start with a quarter. We'll play a game. How much of Alex's car is he gonna cut up by the time he's done with this build?
Well,
Alright guys, so I just finished putting everything in. The bumper's a little messed up and cracked, but body work will always come later. But this is the single pipe now. I'm just gonna go ahead and check one more time to tighten everything, blah blah blah. And we are now single pipe and we're gonna start it up.
holy shit, guys, I did it. I finally put in the new exhaust.
Ooh.
Now Alex is just doing the finishing touches. But yeah, it was pretty hard putting the exhaust on, to be honest.
I don't know.
Huh?
Why pay on the road?
Why not?
It's dirty, that shit.
It's not dirty.
Hey, it sounds pretty good! Wait. Oh shit, it's not loud. I like it more. I think I like it more than that one.
Do it again, do it again. Goodbye, old exhaust.
It sounds pretty good, bro. Do you like the other one, the racing beat, or the duels?
No, this one's better, bro.
This one's better?
Yeah. A lot
It's
better.
like rum, rum, rum,
Yeah.
rum, you know what I'm saying?
Too loud though.
It is loud.
Yep.
Alright guys, just got home and the FC sounds great.